Hey, Dr. Bill Williams here, and I'm thankful for Dr. Panks and his many pod sessions on this COVID week, COVID month. We're in the midst of quite a sensational time in our careers. You know, this is not normal. So I'm just going to give you a couple of hints of what I've been thinking, how we're getting through this thing and how we're moving forward, not just sitting still waiting for it to happen. We're taking action. So right now, if you take action, what can you do that would make a big difference for your patients, for your practice, and for your own mind, you know, for your own comfort, that you're actually doing something positive while you're sitting at home? Well, here's the thing. I think you should communicate to stay connected. Communicate with everybody. First, you got to communicate with yourself. You know, tell yourself positive things. Get up in the morning, get going. Second, you got to communicate to your staff. You got to communicate with your patients. And thirdly, you got to communicate with the entire community, everybody out there who's listening. And my son and I put out a podcast just last week detailing some of the facts and figures about how do you do those things. Our goal is to eliminate the fear. Take away that mistrust that's building. You know, everybody's thinking, what's going to happen when I go back into the environment? So we have to recreate the trust. Our patients really did trust us as dentists during the time period where there was no coronavirus. Now they've got something else to think about. And so it's our job to recreate the trust. And how do you do that? Well, I call it show and tell. You got to show people what to expect before they actually come in. Show them what you're doing. Show them what's been done, what's recommended, that you're actually following the CDC guidelines. So show and tell is very important. Think about it this way. If you could make use of this very medium, an iPhone and a message sent out on Facebook or YouTube to your patients, to the community in general, what would that do for the people to make them feel trustworthy of you? They have the loyalty to you, but they want to have that trust recreated. So my goal is to have a group of 10, 20, 30 videos go out that are 1-2 minutes long, send them out to the patients, describing some feature, some aspect of dental practice that's going to be there for them to protect them, to show them what we're doing. So I want to reassure the patients to eliminate that uncertainty. See, if we can eliminate uncertainty, then we're a leg up on most other practices who are not doing anything. It's those who are not taking action who are going to be suffering the most. We want to eliminate uncertainty in our practices and in our patients' minds, which builds the trust. Let's help patients move forward. Let's give them something to think about positive, about how we're in charge, we're leading the way, not at the effects of this COVID virus. It's Dr. Bill Williams. Thanks again, Dr. Panks. We will see you on the next video.